Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum boys. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Let's start our lecture with some good thoughts. If you want to get success, you have to work constantly. Means doing work constantly will bring success to you. Okay? If you want to achieve position, you have to study daily. Chapter number 5 is measurement wise. On page number 105, they are telling us we need some different unit for different kinds of measurement. For measuring hand, for measuring our height, for measuring the distance, for measuring a piece of cloth. So, for this, in 1793, a special name meter was given to the unit of lengths. Meter is a French word adapted from Greek word metron, meaning measure. It means, the meter means measure, okay, and it is adapted from Greek word. Original word was Greek, metron, and it is now French word. So what does it mean? We have different units to measure different things. For measuring length, we use different unit. For measuring mass or weight, we use different unit. For measuring liquid volume or capacity, and for measuring time. Okay, these are the 4 basic things that we measure. On page number 106, boys, here you can see metric system. This is the definition. The system of measurement based on multiple of tens called metric system. It means if we convert some units in other unit, we have to multiply that number with the powers of 10 or multiple of tens. Okay, we use different unit of measurement for length, weight and capacity. The unit of measurements are different sizes. The small units are to measure small things and bigger units to measure bigger things. Here you can see the standard unit of length are kilometer, meters, centimeters and millimeters. Okay, and I have told you that 1 kilometer has 1000 meter, 1 meter has 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Boys, today is Thursday, 24 December 2020. Our topic is measurement revision. We have learned about measurement, that measurement are of 3 kinds, that is of length, width and capacity. Length is used to measure the height of any object, weight is used to measure the mass of any object, and capacity is used to measure a liquid object. So boys, we are talking about length and we have to know the conversion of length. The biggest unit of length is kilometer. After that is meter, then centimeter and then millimeter. I have told you 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So when we are asked to change kilometer into meters, we have to multiply it with 1000. As you can see boys, I have written when we have to tell a bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay, when we have to tell kilometer into meters, we have to multiply it with 1000. When we are asked to change meters into centimeters, what we have to do? Meter is big and centimeter is small. So moving bigger to smaller, we have to multiply. And 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So we will multiply it with 100. And if we are asked to change centimeters into millimeters, centimeter is the bigger unit, millimeter is the smaller unit. So boys, we are changing the bigger into smaller, so we have to multiply. 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters, so we will multiply it with 10. The same goes with the smaller to bigger. When we have to convert the smaller unit into the bigger unit, what we have to do? We have to divide. When we are asked to change millimeters into centimeter, we have to divide it with 10 because 10 millimeters will make 1 centimeter. If we are asked to change centimeter into meters, we have to divide it with 100 because when 100 centimeter will make, when 100 centimeter will gather, it will make 1 meter. The same goes with meters to kilometer. If we are asked to change meter into kilometer, we have to divide it with 1000. Here is our activity, boys. We have to convert the following. It is 13 kilometer, 15 meter into centimeters. Okay. First we have to change the kilometer into centimeter. To converting the kilometer into meters, we have to multiply it with 1000 and then we have to multiply it with 100. Okay, let's start it. Here you can see, boys, I will write 13 and because I am changing the kilometer into meters, I have to multiply it with 1000, then it will become meter. But if I want to change it into centimeter, I have to multiply it further with 100. As you can see, boys, here in the conversion, if I am going to change kilometer into centimeter, I have to multiply it with 1000 and 100. 3 zeros here, 2 zeros here. So when we multiply a number with power of tens, the zero get added on the right hand side. So this was for 13 kilometer. But what about 15 meters? I will write plus 15. As I have to change meter into centimeter, I will multiply it with 100. So it will become 1500. Okay. And it will become, so it will become 1,300,000 centimeters and centimeters. When I will add these, boys, so it will become for the 4 digits, here come 1500, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits and then 0, 3, 1 centimeters. It is 1,301,500 centimeters. So boys, here is the second sum, 4 meter 29 centimeter into millimeter. You have to convert meters into centimeters and then into millimeters. For this you will multiply 4 with 100 and then multiply with 10 plus 29 multiplied by 10. I have given you hint. You have to solve it by yourself and then find out the answer.